go.
I got 2 things.
2, well done.
The Nature School is a great concept. It's a bush school concept that has started in Scandinavia 50 years ago. And the idea is to reconnect children and families and grandparents and everyone really, every person, back into nature, respecting nature, respecting the environment, and understanding how important the environment is for our future. And you know, in the end, all these children will be the scientists and the adventurers and the leaders of tomorrow. So it's really important for them to understand and respect where we live. And luckily, New South Wales National Parks has kindly let us use their national park, Sea Acres, in Port Macquarie. So yeah, we're having lots of fun here.
I feel it's been a great experience with lots of trees. I've built a little cubby and kept me safe from the rain last time. There's lots of little animals and stuff in the trees that you can find. There's lots of leeches though. I've been trying to keep them in a jar, and you can see like the little suckers on them. Anybody else want to touch them?
No.
I want to hold one.
Is that too cool?
You want to hold one?